Hello everyone, I am Hidden In. Today I'm going to present Weather Chapter 2. So first, let's talk about the summary. Gabriel's article, Qualitative Matter Today, conducts an in-depth analysis of quantitative research. Initially, quantitative researchers prioritize knowledge or the literal descriptions provided by individuals. The article implies that this approach that relied on word of mouth was highly ineffective and diminished the credibility and reliability of results because no scientific analysis took place. The author suggests that qualitative methods have undergone dramatic transformations compared to the past because they necessitate the researcher to conduct a comprehensive analysis of both texture and the visual material to make it more reflexive. The writer suggests that the qualitative approaches used in the modern day have significant levels of conceptual sophistication because scholars have become analytically self-conscious compared to the past. Next is about main points. The piece presents three main points with the reader's attention and the contemplation. Firstly, researchers should embrace that the theorization of matters and focus on looking and listening to unearth the underlying meanings that lie beneath the surface ones. The article offers a clear distinction between the qualitative methods employed in the past and modern day. In the former, researchers perceived the empirical realm as an area of knowledge that they had to discover, the analyze. They systematically looked and listened to their study subjects, drawing meaning from the context of their lived experiences, while jotting down notes and reporting their findings in the most detailed way possible. Ethnography was particularly popular among anthropologists, and it allowed them to discover a wide range of intriguing culture patterns among different study populations. A quantitatively sorry, a quantitative analysis only required one to look, see, learn, and report, reducing finding to what was just over there. In sharp contrast, modern quantitative research approaches lack this straightforwardness, even though fieldwork observations and direct interactions with clients also occur in related approaches. The looking and listening aspect of these strategies has a solid theoretical basis. Okay, and analysis. Um, so analysis we can talk about is qualitative methods today. The article is a highly informative text that examine, examine the qualitative methods used in the contemporary day in comparison to those that researchers employed in the past. The author fails to provide an actual thesis statement in his study, but presents an inferred one that the reader can adequately define. The author argues that qualitative methods have undergone tremendous change compared to the past and are more effective because they focus on summarizing methods, employ distinct techniques borrowed from humanities to portray their subject social words, and embrace representational diversity to establish reasonable, coherent, and systematic assumptions of, of the correlation between dependent and independent variables and develop unbiased and objective finding. Therefore, the study has a clear and easily understandable thesis statement. Gabriel's develop highly persuasive, persuasive arguments and employ um, rhetorical appeals such as ethos to appeal to the reader's emotions and make his arguments more convincing. He effectively used pathos in the section titled An Illustration of the Problem. The author shed light on the plight of individuals with Alzheimer's disease to demonstrate the effectiveness of quantitative research methods in providing first-hand accounts of the problems facing various study populations. Gabriel vividly narrates the way AD respondents describe their suffering and burdens. The detailed descriptions grabs the reader's attention and compel them to sympathize with the participants, capturing their interest and persuading them to read the experts the and develop a profound understanding of the vitality of listening when applying quantitative research methods such as one-on-one interview. And that's a second analysis. So the author also provides numerous examples to support his claims and uh, to demonstrate the changes that have occurred in quantitative research and the approaches one can employ to obtain valuable data and develop sorry objective conclusions. Gabriel's integrate Henry Mahey and Williams Foods study to demonstrate the way anthropologists in the 1840s and the other past centuries over relied on the word of mouth and the literal descriptions in the qualitative research, stressing the ineffectiveness of these methods because it only necessitates the researcher to look, see, report others, and report without forming any theoretical basis. So the article is therefore relevant because it focuses on qualitative research a fundamental topic covered in class. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this, and you guys have a wonderful day.